Have you ever had a guest yell at you for something that wasn't even your fault, and still had to smile and fix it? Welcome to hotel life. But what if I told you there's a proven system to handle any guest complaint? With confidence, empathy, and professionalism? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact 4-step method used by top hotels around the world to handle guest complaints. And how to stay calm and in control, even when emotions are running high. Step 1. Listen. The first step is to really listen, not just hear. Stop what you're doing, put the phone down, face the guest. Use active listening, eye contact and nodding. Let them vent. Interrupting or defending too early makes it worse. Say something like, "I completely understand your concern. Could you tell me more about what happened?" Why this matters. Most guests don't complain to attack you, they want to feel acknowledged. Listening shows respect. Step 2. Apologize. Not robotic, we apologize for the inconvenience. That's corporate noise. Make it human, make it sincere. "I'm so sorry this happened, it's not the experience we want you to have." Never say, "It's not my fault," or "There's nothing I can do." Step 3. Solve. Take action. This is your moment to turn frustration into trust. Even if you don't have the answer, own the problem and keep the guest informed. Say, "Let me take care of this for you right away. Here's what I can do. I've already contacted housekeeping and they'll be there in 5 minutes." Pro tip. Always give a clear timeline, and update the guest if there's a delay. Never let them wonder what's happening. Last but not least, thank the guest. Yes, even after a complaint. Because their feedback helps you get better. Thank you for letting us know. We really appreciate the chance to make this right. Ending on a note of appreciation leaves a lasting impression. Here's what separates average from excellent. Great receptionists see complaints as opportunities, not threats. Every complaint is a second chance to impress the guest and build loyalty. So remember, L.A.S.T. Listen, apologize, solve, thank. 4 simple steps that turn guest frustration into guest satisfaction. Ready to level up your hospitality game? Subscribe now and get the insights and tools top receptionists use to turn challenges into 5-star reviews.